Welcome back to Picture Healer channel and a happy year of the tiger. Today's Feng Shui topic, we want to look at the flying star Feng Shui based on the house directions. And one way to look at the 9 flying stars is by the house sitting and facing directions. The easiest way is to divide the house direction into 8 types, just like the Bagua, or similar to 8 mansions Feng Shui. You will have 8 directions. And each direction has its own base chart. So we will have 8 charts total, and each chart will combine with the 2022 year of the Tiger Flying Star chart. The first house direction is Kan. Kan means the north. So it's for house sitting on the north side and facing south. So if your house entrance is on the south side, that means you are sitting on the north side and you have a Kan house. And this is the chart you should look at for this year. And I'm only going to talk about the best and the worst combinations in each chart, so you know which direction you have to be careful and which directions bring good luck this year. For the Kan house, the area we should be careful is the west. The house chart has number 3 star, and the yearly star chart has number 7. Both 3 and 7 stars are kind of related to gossip, fighting, negative people, maybe legal issues, or some type of robbery or money loss. So this is the negative combination we should pay attention if you have a Kan house. And we will talk about remedy and Feng Shui cure at the end of this video. The number 7 star can also bring power and high status, so it's not entirely bad. And for the best areas for the Kan house this year include the north and the southeast. In the north, we have star 6 and 1. This combination can mean increased wealth, fame, business success, and a relationship luck. And another very auspicious direction is southeast with star number 9 and 4 combination. And this can mean increased fame, happiness, and intelligence. The 9-4 combination usually means very intelligent kid or talent. So this is a very positive direction. The second house chart is the Gen house. That's for house sitting on the northeast and facing southwest. The area we should be careful is the southwest because we have number 5 and number 2 combination this year. And we talk a lot about number 5 yellow star, and the number 2 black star. One is misfortune star and one is illness star. So this combination means disease, misfortune, and this tend to affect the owner of the house. And you probably know the Feng Shui cure is to add some metal objects to reduce the power of the 5 and 2, the earth star. The north has star 4 and 1 combination, so it means intelligence, talent, fame, and relationship luck. And northwest, we have star 9 and 6, and both are very lucky stars. This can bring business luck, fame, and increased wealth. The third chart is for house that's sitting on the east and facing west. That's called the Zhen house. The area we should pay attention is the south. We have number 7 and number 9 star combination. The 7 and 9 star is the metal and the fire conflict. The number 9 fire controls the number 7 metal. This can cause increased chance of fire or fire type of disease. And the 2 lucky directions include north and northeast. We have number 8 and 1 in the north. Both are very tiny stars in period 8. And it indicates money luck, fame, and business success. And northeast, we have number 6 and number 8 star. This indicates increased money luck, career success and promotions. And number 8 is also related to real estate luck. So this chart we can see a lot of real estate luck or financial luck related to earth element. The 4th chart is a Zhen house. That's when the house is sitting on the southeast and facing northwest. And we have 2 unlucky directions and 2 very lucky directions. And the east, we have star 2 and 3. That's the bullfight combination. And the west, we have 6 and 7. It's a sword fight combination. So both east and west are pretty similar. It indicates conflict, gossip, quarrel, fighting, legal issues, and negative friends. So try not to use these 2 directions as important rooms. And the 2 lucky directions are south and north. The north we have 9 and 1 combination. Both are very tiny stars. And this indicates wealth luck and happy events because the number 9 is a festive star. And in the south we have star 8 and 9. Again, both are very tiny stars and very auspicious. So this indicates fame, wealth luck, real estate luck, and the general happiness. The next chart is the Li house. That's when the house is sitting on the south side and facing north. And you can see the area to pay attention to is the east. We have star 7 and 3. And we saw the same combination in the first chart, the Kan house. And this can mean fighting, injury, money loss, possible robbery, or legal issues. And number 7 star can also mean power and status. So it has the positive and the negative sides. The auspicious directions include the northwest and the south. In the northwest, we have star 1 and 6. This can bring wealth luck, fame, promotion, relationship luck, and longevity. The other one is the south. We have star 4 and 9. The 4-9 combination means intelligence, talent, fame, and career promotion. The next chart is the Kun house. That's a house sitting on the southwest side and facing northeast. And the worst combination here is the 2 and 5 in the center. So that indicates illness, misfortune, and obstacles that can affect the owner. And the 2 lucky directions are southeast and east. The southeast, we have stars 1 and 4 combination. And this is a classic combination for intelligence, talent, fame, and even relationship luck. This is a very good location for kids' bedroom, for students, or for an office. The next one is the east, stars 9 and 3. And it's pretty similar, indicating intelligence, fame, and wealth luck. The next chart is the Dui house. That's a house sitting on the west side and facing east. For this chart, you can see the problem area is the west. We have star 9 and 7. And we saw the same combination in the Zhen house, the number 3 chart. This is the conflict of metal and fire. So we should pay attention to increased chance of fire or fire type of disease. And the 2 lucky directions are northeast and northwest. Northeast, we have star 1 and 8. That means intelligence, talent, fame, and money luck. Both 1 and 8 are very auspicious stars. And it's similar in the northwest with star 8 and 6. It can bring money luck, helpful people, real estate luck, and promotion. And all the 3 stars, 1, 6, and 8, can bring career success, fame, and wealth luck. The next chart is the Qian house. That's a house sitting on the northwest side and facing southeast. And here we have two unlucky directions and two very lucky directions. And this is very similar to the Shun house we talked about earlier. In the southwest, we have stars 3 and 2. That's a bullfight combination. In the northwest, we have stars 6 and 7. That's a sword fight combination. So both directions have increased chance of conflict, fighting, gossip, quarrel, negative friends, or legal issues. And because of the fighting, it can also mean accidents, injury, and money loss. The two lucky directions include the south and northeast. The south we have star 1 and 9. The northeast we have 9 and 8. All three stars are very tiny stars in period 8 right now. They can bring wealth luck, career success, real estate luck, fame, and happiness. Now we'll look at the Feng Shui cures and remedies. And we are only talking about the 5 different combinations that needs the Feng Shui cures. The first one is the 2 and 5 combination. It can be 2-5 or 5-2. And you probably know it by now that we need to add metal Feng Shui cure. And we can also add health enhancers such as a Chinese gourd, the hulu, or the turtle or dragon turtle. Both are symbols of long life and good health. And for metal elements, you can add a metal bell, wind chime, metal coin, or a singing bowl, or any metal objects you have. They should act the same way. The second combination is a 9 and 7. It's a fire and metal conflict. For the 9-7 or 7-9 combination, we can add earth element. So that can mean pottery, ceramic pot, or colors of yellow, brown, and beige. It can be a piece of furniture, an artwork, or furnishings like carpet or pillows. So it's pretty flexible. You can just use what you have at home. The third combination is 7 and 3. The 7 is a metal star and the 3 is the wood star. So we can add water element to balance the energy. Because metal generates water and water generates wood. It can be a salt water cure because the salt can absorb negative energy in the air. And it's very easy to make. You just put the salt and add water. And optionally, you can add some coins, maybe 6 coins or 9 coins. It can be modern coins or old Chinese coins. You can always use the color of the water, such as black or blue, in home furnishing or artwork. And an easy way is to add a blue carpet. The fourth combination is stars 2 and 3, or 3-2 combination. And we can add fire element or metal element here. The number 2 is the earth element, and the number 3 is the wood element. If we add fire element, the wood generates fire and the fire generates earth. So that's how we balance the energy of 2 and 3. And we can add a metal element because number 2 is an illness star. That's the earth star, and the metal can decrease the earth. So you can use the color of fire. That's the red, orange, or even purple. It can be a carpet, artwork, or a piece of furniture. Or we can add metal coins, metal singing bowl, metal bells or wind chime, the metal turtle or dragon turtle, because they are symbols of good health to counter the number 2 star. And also hulu, the Chinese gourd, is the symbol of good health and absorb any negative qi. The last combination is star 6 and 7. That's a sword fight combination. Both of them are metal elements. So we can add water element. Because metal generates water, so water can decrease metal. It can be a salt water cure to absorb the negative qi, or it can be colors of black and blue, carpet, furnishing, or artwork. So that's the 5-element Feng Shui cures you can place to balance the energy. And this is just one type of the flying star Feng Shui that's based on house directions. Different schools of Feng Shui can be conflicting and confusing, so just pick and choose what makes sense for you, and don't worry too much about the conflicting or confusing parts. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching today and see you next time.